and welcome back to my money lessons. I am Dr. Charity of Wealthy Gen. I was having a conversation with a young lady who said she made over $100,000 working two jobs, yet she could not boast of only $1,000 in savings. I asked how many designer bags and shoes she could boast of. She smiled and said a lot. Then my question to her was this: of what use is carrying such expensive designer bags if you do not have money at least twice the value of that bag to put inside it? You see, creating extra income is very important, but that can only make your finances a lot better if you have mastered the arts of managing what you currently earn judiciously. Because when you are not able to manage what you currently earn, you find it difficult to cope when your income increases. Because what will happen is this: as your income increases, your taste will change. You want to upgrade your spending. You want to meet those expenses you are not able to meet before. But if you have mastered the arts of managing what you currently earn, with an increase in income, with any incremental change in your income, you are already able to manage that income. You will have a lot more to save, a lot more to invest, and with that, you are able to grow your wealth and make your finances a lot better. Let's consider this hypothetical example. The first one is someone who earns monthly income of $1,000. And at the end of the month, her expenses come up to $1,000. So because she spends everything that she earns, she has nothing left to save. However, her spending of $1,000 might be enough to cover all her expenses. Sometimes she might still have some expenses that she is not able to cover. So if this person wants to save and invest and build wealth, the only thing that comes to her mind is that she does not make enough money for her to be able to save and invest. Therefore, she needs to make additional income. She needs to make more money. Now, something happened and her income increased. Probably she got a new job, or she started working extra job, or she got promoted, or she got a raise. But the bottom line is that she earned some extra income, and her income increased from $1,000 to $1,500. And now her income has increased. Guess what happened? She now wants to change her shoes. She now wants to buy some new clothes. She now wants to upgrade her spending. Some things she wasn't able to meet when her income was $1,000, she is now able to meet them, and she will increase her spending. At the end of the month, her income is $1,500 and her expenses will increase to $1,500. And because she spends everything that she makes, she still has nothing left to save. Her savings will come up to zero at the end of the month. If she continues like this, after 6 months, she will also have $0 saved and she will have nothing left to invest. Now, consider this hypothetical example number 2. Someone that earns $1,000 every month. And she made it a priority that no matter what, I'm going to save something out of this $1,000, no matter how little. And she cuts her expenses, making sure that she spends below this $1,000. So at the end of the month, she spends only $800. That leaves her with $200 in savings. Granted, she might not be able to spend her money on everything she wanted to spend, but her priority was to constantly save something out of her income. And then something happened. She got promoted, or she worked a second job, or she got the bonus or something. Her income increased to $1,500. Because she's already trained herself or her mindset to saving something out of her income. She said to herself, I survived at $800. I can also survive at $800 even though my income has increased. So if she spends $800 out of her $1,500, she has $700 left to save. Even if she decides to spend $1,000, to increase her spending by $200, she's still spending below her income. But the bottom line is she customized, or she made herself comfortable at $800. Believing that she will still be fine, that her focus on her overall goal is to increase her savings. So if she continues to save $700 every month, after After 5 months, she must have made herself $3,500. What this means is, because she continues to save $700 every month, she can comfortably meet an emergency of $1,000. If she has saved $3,500 after 5 months, if she has an emergency of $1,000, she can comfortably meet that emergency. And she will still have something left as backup. But the other person that saves nothing, if there is any emergency, there is no backup. There is no way she can get that money from. So this is the trick. The bottom line here is for you to be able to manage what you earn currently. That is the key. If you're able to successfully manage what you currently earn, when your income increases, you are now able, you've mastered the art, you are now able to continuously save even more with your increased income. That is the key. And that is one message I want you to take away from this lesson. First, master the art of managing what you currently earn. Extra income is good. It is important. It will help you achieve higher growth. But if you are not able to manage what you currently earn, it will be difficult for you to manage or have something left to save if your income increases. Because ordinarily, your expenses will try to increase as your income increases. It's now up to you to be able to control your spending so that you have something left to save and grow your income.